If your tooth is severely damaged or you are in constant pain, you usually have two main options. Save it with root canal treatment, or replace it with a dental implant. During a root canal, your dentist clears the infection inside your tooth and protects it with a crown. That way, you get to keep your natural tooth. With an implant, your dentist will first remove the damaged tooth, then place a strong metal post in your jaw. On top of that goes a custom-made crown that looks and feels like your natural tooth. If your tooth is mostly healthy on the outside, root canal plus crown is often the best move. But if it's cracked, too damaged, or reinfected, an implant might be the stronger and longer-lasting solution. Call us today for expert advice on root canals, crowns, implants, or sedation options if you're feeling anxious and also a suitable candidate.